Hi, welcome to Mensa, your partner in building confident, career ready students. Mensa is a unique learning platform that blends learnings from behavior science, AI powered coaching, and live sessions to help students turn practice into real progress. At Mensa, we believe that every student deserves the opportunity to speak and be shaped by it. In this demo, you'll see how our product creates those opportunities and delivers on that promise through every feature. A core feature that brings this approach to life is our mock interview module, designed for real job roles at companies like Google, Unilever, Reliance, and Microsoft. Students don't just prepare in theory, they rehearse with role-specific questions. For example, in this live interview simulation, student answers questions relevant to the job role. Their responses are analyzed and they receive targeted AI feedback to improve each time they practice.
Okay, Tapasi, can you tell me a bit about yourself and why you are interested in interning at Samsung?
I want to intern with Samsung because I'm just starting my career. This is going to be my first job, and I think it's a reputed company where I will learn a lot.
Can you walk me through your qualifications and relevant experiences that make you a good fit for an internship at Samsung?
At the end of the assessment, the student will receive a comprehensive evaluation report, which is later available in the View Your Report section to help them review their progress. In addition, students can earn Mensa certificates on interview and career readiness, which can be downloaded and showcased as proof of effort and skill building. This is our AI Resume Builder, a powerful tool that helps students write job-ready resumes based on their unique strengths and target roles. Students can access personalized AI sessions such as emotional intelligence assessment, career counselor, and more, designed to build career-critical skills. Our AI-led courses are practice-based learning experiences with real-time feedback, which provides learners a low-pressure, high-impact space to grow their communication, confidence, and career readiness. In addition to AI, we run live courses with coaches. These are interactive audio sessions that allow students to speak and build confidence by practicing with real people in real time. Next, we have pre-recorded learning sessions curated by industry experts. These sessions are available on demand, giving learners the flexibility to learn at their own pace. At the bottom, we've kept everything easy to access. Home gives you a quick personalized snapshot. Interview Prep has a range of AI mock interviews, assessments, and coaching sessions. Live courses connects learners to upcoming live sessions with coaches and industry experts. Career Prep houses all AI tools related to career navigation, core competencies, and workplace effectiveness. And Live GDs help students practice real group discussions with peers. One of Mensa's most powerful aspects is our ability to create customized learning experiences for your institution. From IIT Delhi to Jaipurya Institute, Hindu College to UPES, we've built fully branded homepages tailored to each institution's student profile and goals. Your homepage features institutional branding, recommended AI sessions mapped to your student profile, bilingual support for basic English speaking skills, Lecture Companion, which records, transcribes, and turns lectures into personalized, self-paced coaching sessions. Skill journeys aligned with placement priorities like soft skills, English fluency, or interview prep. You can even have multiple pathways within the same institution. For example, separate role-based learning flows for MBA versus engineering students or first years versus final years. Our most popular customizations include Language Lab for English communication and confidence, Management Institute Flow for business skills and leadership, Engineering Flow for technical interview and placement prep, School Page with Classroom Companion, Homework Review, Foundational English, and College Readiness in a simplified, student-friendly interface. Whatever your context, Mensa adapts to fit and scale. Even if your institution chooses not to opt for a fully customized page, Mensa still delivers a highly personalized experience for each learner. Students can go through a simple onboarding session with our AI assistant, Many, and answer questions on their goals, strengths, and improvement areas. Based on this input, the app automatically curates the homepage to reflect each student's needs, whether your priority is employability, confidence, or holistic development. Mensa aligns with your goals while keeping learning engaging and personalized. We look forward to helping your students grow with Mensa.